If you are a mechanical, aerospace or automotive engineer, here are the 5 things that you need to know about aerodynamic simulations. The first step is to make sure that the geometry is preserved and there is no approximations made to the critical components. Secondly, you need to make sure that your virtual wind tunnel is set up correctly. This means the size and the location of the 3D object needs to be perfect. Third, you need to use the right governing equations. Using the wrong governing equations will put 100 plus hours of simulation time to waste. Flow over complex geometries are usually turbulent. This means you need to use the right turbulence model to capture the results accurately. Fourth, meshing. Numerical discretization is the art of solving fluid flow equations in your computer. Using poor meshes will give you bad results. Prism layer cells or boundary layer cells are commonly used. But do you know what they do? Do you know how many layers of cells you need? And what is the ideal expansion ratio? Fifth, boundary conditions. In real life, you perform experimentation. To perform the simulation accurately, you need to take critical information from the experimental data and feed it into the simulation. If you don't do this, then you cannot validate your results against experimental data. Do you want to exactly know how to apply these 5 concepts in a CFD tool? Click on the link below to know more about our aerodynamics course. Thank you.